scarf moment. I think I'm gonna have to start buying some more of these. Day 2 of a scarf and I'm like, okay, I need more. Oh, the sun is here. Hi, I'm Tish. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I am a wife, mom, leader over 40, navigating life, career, and purpose. And I document that here on my channel. I am currently on a journey of creating 100 videos in 100 days here on YouTube. And every single day, a video is going up. No matter how I feel, no matter if I have anything that I feel video worthy, I am sticking through with this commitment. I probably should have this grand scheme of becoming this great big YouTuber. That's why I'm doing this. But naturally and actually, no, that's not the case. I do love creating content, but this is getting me to be consistent. It is getting me to not stop producing based on how I feel or how I may assume a situation may not be worthy. It is getting me to push past because we are in a digital world and a lot of us connect digitally before we are even face to face in person. So this is a challenge to me to be consistent, also get creative, and to fight through the feeling of not wanting to do something solely on feelings, but being productive no matter what. I also hope that if you're inspired to do something, and it doesn't have to be posting on social media, but it can be something that you feel is going to be big and scary. I hope that along this journey, you're inspired to set your own challenge, to push past your own limits that you set for yourself. Whether it's enrolling to an advanced degree program or taking a class, learning a new skill, reading a book, instead of going to social media for so many days, continuing dry January to dry February and March, or dry first quarter. Whatever it is that you feel like you can push yourself and you're up for the challenge, I do hope that you join me and you develop your own challenge so that you can be your best self this year and proud of yourself. I have a few things planned professionally today, but I don't believe I'll be able to take you along on those journeys. I am going to bring my phone so I can create some reels. But whatever you get today, just know this was part of my journey and I am sticking through with it. I will show you my outfit a little later on. I'm getting ready to go to a Rotary meeting that I need to preside, and I will capture my outfit there. And I'm going to have lunch with a few girlfriends. I'm trying to do more of that than be cooped up in my home working and having my mind focused on just professional things. So I'm being more social during this season. And I say that because there is we had a loss a couple of months ago, a very big loss in our family. We lost my mother-in-law. And although we are pushing through and we are accepting, there's still a grieving process to where sometimes we want to be out and excited. Sometimes we don't know what'll hit us. And I'm also trying to be emotionally available for my husband and his siblings and, my kids. We're all trying to process this. So there's some days where I don't feel like being around anybody, and I don't know what that could be. I don't know if it could be hormonal. I don't know if it can be the grief process. It could be all of the above. So when opportunities come available for me to step outside of my comfort zone, I take those. I take those opportunities because they're a part of my healing process. So I'm gonna take Charlie girl out before I leave the home. I don't want to be late because I was asked at the last minute to preside and I want to not walk in frazzled, but ready to be a leader. All right, let me get her out and I'll talk to you in just a moment. Outfit of the day. I've been loving scarves. I went with denim on denim. This nice caramel colored cable vest. Love this bag. Wide leg jeans and brown boots. Isn't this cute? All right. Lunch with my friends was lovely. Now it is time for me to go and pick up my youngest from school, and we'll start the evening activities. May even go to a basketball game tonight. I had a package that was not sent to my physical address, but my P.O. box, and I was worried that it would be too big. It's after hours, I would have to wait on it, but luckily they left a key and they put the larger item in a lockbox. I'm so glad that they do this. So now I need to find the lockbox. Let's see. It is. So once you put it in here, you can't retrieve the key. It has to stay. Key will be retained in the lock. I love that. I am away from home. I dropped my daughter off at a game, and it is currently 5:30. I'm torn if I should go home and try to get in at least 2 hours of work, then drive all the way back over here to get my daughter, or do I go get me something sweet to eat and then go sit at the game for 2 hours with not doing anything? I don't know what to do. Also, with this downtime that I have, or so-called downtime, I could either go do some computer work for 2 hours, or I could go ahead and go to Walmart and get the snacks and things that we need for the volleyball tournament this weekend. I'm just at a point where I really don't know what task I want to do. I'm beginning to think that it is hormonal, because my drive is it's moving a little slower. It could be it really could be hormonal, and I know that my friend is probably getting ready to come and visit me soon, because to be this indecisive, it's not cutting it at all. And as I'm trying to talk it out through you, I still don't know what I'm gonna do. Walmart, or I could do Walmart first thing in the morning. That's not a bad option either, after I take my girl to school. We'll see. I am briefly back. I did not go and do the shopping. I did go to Dollar Tree to pick up just a few items, and I decided I'm home, which is fine, because I went to a Dollar Tree that's near me, grabbed these things, brought them home, and then I'm going to go back to the game and just be there for when it's over. But what I went for Dollar Tree for is, yes, sis has a sweet tooth. It happens once a month. I saw these, and I love peppermint and chocolate. I just love it. So I saw these, got those, and when we travel, we always get hot tamales to eat on the road. Like, we all share a box, and it takes care of our traveling sweet tooth. And I needed another mirror, so I got that. And my husband keeps reminding me that my other one broke, because he also uses my mirror. And for my daughter's first aid kit, I'm just adding things slowly. I saw these alcohol swabs, and I'm going to put that in the kit. They are single use, so sounds like they could be individually wrapped. If so, that's good. And Although I have a plethora of these here, I just went on and grabbed these particular hand wipes to put in the first aid kit. And when we travel for hotels, I always purchase or have a hand soap, because that's one thing that hotel rooms do not have, is antibacterial hand soap. So that, and these are popular on social media. I just hope that they don't get too popular to where when I go in the store they don't have them. But we are iced coffee drinkers, and they have the 6 cups and lids. Yep, perfect, not just for iced coffee, but a cold beverage. We have not tried to put anything hot in these because we solely get these for our drinks on the go. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I purchased 5 of these, and usually if I see them, I get them in groups of 5 or 5 or 6, because I'm thinking, you know, 30 cups for $6 or $7 is not bad. That is all that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take these things out of the bags, put them up, and then I'm going to then go to the game. It is now way past school time. We went to a game. I'm going to get something to eat, and we have to start packing because we have travel coming up for volleyball, and it's also Super Bowl weekend. So I don't know what plans will fall in, or what plans we'll decide to do for Super Bowl this weekend. Who are you cheering on? Do you even know who's playing? Because I just found out today. All right, tell me, who are you rooting for Super Bowl, or what you're looking forward to for Super Bowl, not Super Bowl, Super Bowl. Let me know down in the comment area. Is it the food and gathering? Is it halftime show? Is it the actual sport? Commercials? Fashions? What? Tell me. All right. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, have a great day. Oh, subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video. Then tell me down in the comment area what you're looking forward to for this year's Super Bowl. Will you be watching? All right, friend. Until the next video, have a great day. Bye.